Okay guys, a very quick weekly forecast video. There is possibly going to be a more detailed version of this released during the week, but I wanted to quickly give you guys a bit of an insight before market opens tomorrow morning, as I normally do. But as I said, it's going to be the standard format. There may be something more coming in the next day or so. So when we look at things on top-down analysis, let's start again from the daily. If we review things, we can see that we kind of tapped into a level of demand we kind of had sitting up at this level beforehand. The market came mitigated that. We've now got fresh daily demand down at this level of this inefficient wick, as well as daily demand sitting in the consolidation from COVID lows. When we go across, we can see that we have lower time frame areas already kind of marked up that haven't been mitigated off the charts, but have kind of resulted in the move from just literally touching this demand and rejecting out of it during the week. When we drop down onto the 4 hour, we can see the levels that have kind of been pulled out from here. Inefficient wick of the bullish reversal from this bearish touch of the demand below. The market came back, reversed, came out, supply was taken at this point. The market has now opened, and this was done before market opened, so we can see that supply has been mitigated, the inefficient wick has been mitigated, and the supply above that we had marked up has actually been touched. And it'll be interesting to see what happens through Asia to these levels that I had marked up at about 10 p.m. before the market opened. That's very interesting to see. So effectively we can see supply has been taken as we marked it up, blown through the existing supply that had been weakened beforehand. We had an inefficient wick up here which 50% hadn't been mitigated. Asia's come and blown through that, touched supply now on the upper level, and we'll wait to see if we get rejection out of that now. So some of the levels that we marked up have already been mitigated in Asia, which isn't a bad thing. So we can start deleting those off. That wick's gone. And then when we look at the key levels that we had marked on, so we can have a look at that now. So it's come in, rejected out of the weekly POC, tapped through it into the supply with a bearish imbalance above. Good reaction from that. It's touching that now and reacting. We want to see how Asia kind of moves in through this level and then possibly sells down to then buy out of this area of demand or the POC below or the bullish imbalance below. So looks like we're going to be going for sells early part of the week down into demand to then buy up out of it. But we'll see how that kind of transpires. A very quick, very short video. It's very late, 1:45 in the morning here now in London. So I'm not going to keep it long, but I wanted to get something out there that will allow you guys to kind of review things for London Open. I won't be trading Monday as always, but Tuesday I'll be back on the charts, and we'll see how things go on social media from then on. Okay, take care, trade safe, bye.